a tornado warning for northeastern Massac County, Illinois, central Pope County, Illinois, until 8:45 a.m. At 8:30 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near New Columbia, or 7 miles north of Metropolis, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Massac and central Pope counties. This includes Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 27 and 32. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:45 a.m. for the following counties in Illinois, Massac, and Pope. The tornado warning for northeastern Pulaski, northwestern Massac, and southern Johnson counties is canceled. The storm which prompted the warning has weakened below severe limits and no longer appears capable of producing a tornado. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 a.m. for southern Illinois and western Kentucky. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for